Oh, got me a car. I'm gonna have to wait till he get tired because he look like he got good size on him. Come here. You long. Oh, got me a car. I'm gonna have to wait till he get tired because he look like he got good size on him. Come here. You long mouth mother. There you go. All right, come on, guard. Stop playing with me. There you go. There you go. How in the hell am I supposed to get this guard? Got to let him tire out. Look. Look how big it is. Damn! Look at that joke. Damn, I'm sticking my hand in that mother. Prehistoric looking. Strong too. Chill out. I don't know. Damn! Jesus. Now that's a big. Now you talking about a big boy. Goodness gracious. Now that's a big one. Let's go.